So here we are, we're at the back of a washing machine that doesn't fill with enough water, one of those new ones. It could be either a Whirltag or a Maypool, it really doesn't matter. I'm not going to name any brands in particular. So this one, what happens with these is, way down here, there's sort of a built-in vial that's attached to the main tub. And when the main tub fills with water, there's this spigot at the top of that vial. It fills as the tub fills, builds up with air pressure, sends air pressure up the line. The more the tub fills with water, the more air pressure fills the line, and that thing ends up at the main brain of the washing machine. As the tub fills with water, air pressure pushes up there. When it reaches a certain amount of air pressure, it cuts out the fill cycle and starts washing. It never cuts out with enough water in the tub. We're going to try to fix that. Okay, so this is a super easy fix. All we've done here is I've got a piece of 3/8 poly tubing, and it is about 30 inches long. I snipped the tube that led from the vial on the side of the washing machine. I snipped it about 3 inches back and slid that end into this 3/8 pipe, and then introduced that 3/8 pipe, and then hooked it up again to the other end that I snipped off. Now what we have is just a lot more tube leading from the washing machine down at the bottom up to the brain. The more tube means more air that needs to be compressed. It takes longer to compress more air, which means that the fill cycle lasts longer before the cutout happens, which means you get more water. So our water level is here right now, and currently, before that, it was down about there while washing, and so we've raised it up about 5 inches of water we've gained. So you're gonna have to play around with that length of tube just to see how yours is going to work. When you do this, make sure you play around with it with your washing machine set on the highest fill cycle. On my particular unit, it's called Bulky Sheets, lets in the most water. You want to play around with it on the highest water level so that you find out where your maximum fill level is. Later on, if you do adjust your fill cycles, all you're doing is adjusting it lower. You won't have any chance of overflowing, which I may have done in the course of this due to my wet basement floor, but that's another story. So cheap fix, really easy. Hope this works for you.